Today, we're repotting this beautiful peace lily and its baby plants. If your plant looks crowded like this, it's time for a fresh start. Firstly, remove these old leaves from plant. First, gently remove the plant from the pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Water a day before to make removal easier. Next, loosen the roots and separate the baby plants. These offshoots are ready to grow on their own. Separate gently, keep roots intact. Look, this beautiful babies. We have lots of baby plants. Now, plant each peace lily in a new pot with fresh, well-draining soil. Each peace lily in a new pot with fresh, well-draining soil. Add water after repotting. And that's it. Our peace lily and babies are now ready to grow beautifully. Repotting gives them space and strength.